Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to bookmark any website in your Android phone. So at first open up your Chrome browser and then open any website that you want to bookmark. Now from here, if you want to add this website to your bookmark list, just tap on three dots and at the top you can see a star option, then just tap here and it's done. Now your website has been added successfully on the bookmark list. If you want to find your bookmark list, just open a new tab, then tap on three dots and here you can see bookmarks option, then just tap here, then tap on mobile bookmarks and that's it. Now just tap here to open it and here it is. Now if you go back, then go to same settings again. If you want to remove any web page from bookmark list, just tap on three dots, then go to delete option and it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can bookmark website in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.